What is going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. Today we are doing some crappie fishing, some late ice crappie fishing. Hopefully the fish want to bite. We got good conditions. It's overcast. Snow's coming in. It's just starting to rain / snow right now. But it is warm. It's 32 degrees. We're doing a little catch and cook today. Hope you guys are ready, because I'm ready. Let's get right into it. See you on the lake. Well, we have made it out. As you can see, we got the hat cam on again. But it's windy, it's cold, and it's snowing. Not ideal, but we made it to the spot. We're gonna drill a few holes and get right after it. Nice. Crappie! We're taking some home tonight, baby. Hopefully that's not the only one. Love it, baby, love it! Oh, we are stacked now. Okay, we found him now, guys. Well, okay, we snapped the line. I left my jig box at the truck. So we were headed back to the truck, grab that, walk back out, hopefully catch 2 or 3 more quick ones. Let's get out of here. Another great eater. Good. Well, I don't know how easy it is to hear me or how easy it is to see, but as you guys can tell, maybe it is gross out. It is snowing, sleeting, raining, all kind of at the same time. But it is gross. We ended up, let's see where these ended. We ended up with 1, 2, 3 crappies. We're gonna give it just a little bit longer. Stuff is starting to get soaked. I'm not having fun, but let's try to get a meal. 2 more. Dang it. Are you serious? That one's just a little. There we go. There's another eater. Nice. Another eater for sure, baby. One more. One freaking more. Let's do it. Come on. What up?
What up?
Oh, you know, just fucking around.
Just fucking around. He's like, damn, that sick bastard's still out here. I went to the bar.
Huh?
I went to the bar instead of came out.
Oh, no way.
Catching a few?
Yeah, there's a lot of fucking finicky ones, though. A lot.
The crappies are being finicky? Are you sure?
Well, I only caught 4 and I've marked about 300 fish.
Sunnies.
All of them, though?
I had the aqua down last time and there was a shit ton of sunnies.
Really?
Shit piles of sunnies. Every time a crappie would come in, suck it in right away.
Really? This one's gonna do it.
That one's good. That's a crappie. See what I mean?
Yeah.
You can tell usually when it's a crappie. Don't get me wrong, crappies do get finicky, but not as much as people think.
Not that gay, yeah.
You got a few holes around? Or?
Yeah, there's like 2, one where the sled is. Well, we ended up at 5. My jacket is covered in ice. Like the whole thing's ice. It's melting right now because I got the truck on, but yeah, 5 of them we ended up with. Let's go back. We are gonna make the traditional course, fish Alfredo. It's just go-to, simple, really easy, and 3 ingredients: noodles, Alfredo sauce, fish. All right, let's get back to the house. First, we gotta go pick up some Alfredo stuff. Okay, we are back at the kitchen table. Got the electric fillet knife, got the crappies. Let's get these things cleaned up. For the batter, we just got the short lunch Cajun style. We just put the first couple pieces of fish in there. It wasn't quite hot enough, so I just waited. I just put a couple more in there, but we got the noodles going. Man, this is about to be good. A couple more minutes on the fish, a couple more minutes on the noodles, and we'll be good to go. Look at that, some of the creamiest Alfredo a guy has ever. It's just all down there in the bottom. Last batch of fish, look at this. God, it's so good every time. Can't wait to add it to this. Just wait on these last couple pieces. Oh, we gotta get that. There we go. And then all you do when it's done is just put it on top. And then just spread it around. I honestly like going for a bite of Alfredo, spinning it around my fork or whatever, and then stab a piece of fish down the hatch. And look at that. Man, what a bomb deal. Yeah, we're gonna crush this. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys go down, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, comment and share, I would greatly appreciate it. If you guys have any other recipes that you want me to try, leave them down below in the comments. I will try as many of them as I can. I love fish. I love eating fish. So thank you guys again. We'll see you.